Hello everyone, today I will show you how to locate the RAM in Asus FX503V. Here is at the back of the laptop. First of all, you need to unscrew all the screw here. As you can see, we have one screw here. You need to use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it. Then you will see your hard disk drive here, your SSD if you have it. This is the M2 SSD. This is your extra RAM slots. You can add a new RAM for your laptop here. But today I want to show you where is the original RAM located. You need to unscrew all the screw around here. After you unscrew it, open it. As you can see, here is the extra RAM slot. This is the first RAM slot at the back here. So if you want to open it, if you want to take out the RAM carefully. This is the brand Hynix from Korea. It is 4 GB. So if you want to upgrade your RAM, it is recommended to upgrade the same type, which is Hynix 4 GB and 2400 the speed. This is the DDR4 RAM. Or if you want to have the 16 GB, if you want to upgrade it to 16 GB, you can change it to the new one. For example, you can buy the new 8 GB RAM and put it here. If you want to have 16, you can buy 2. Okay, thank you.